Good day, welcome to the ASA channel. Today we will be having a look at one of the products which is not maybe internationally available but is for sale from us, and that is the Kiricom PT68s. Now, for those of you that do not know, that this is a mid-band radio, and in South Africa and in some countries of the world we actually still use this frequency split. It is 66 to 88 megs. The advantage of this frequency band is that you have the distance, but you do not have penetration. So there is an advantage of making use of this frequency, and outside in the country on farms we still have some of these frequencies and networks running. So without any further ado, let's have a look at this device. It is a 16 channel portable device. So we have the radio. Let's put it that side. Let's have a look at the battery. We have the charger and of course the antenna. We do have a belt clip and the little screw set that goes in with that. I'm not going to give much time on the screw set and the belt clip as such. Okay, so what we can see immediately with mid-band is the antennas are very, very long. I mean, if you look at the length of this antenna, it is not short at all. There is one disadvantage of mid-band. You've got big antennas. And yeah, it certainly makes portable two-way radios very, very difficult. Okay, what I immediately see on this device that I do like is the fact that the belt clip actually fits on the chassis. So the belt clip screws onto the chassis and not the battery. I'm not too crazy about that incy-mincy little hook they've got there, but yeah, it's a plastic clip, but that part is metal. So yeah, I immediately like this device for the simple reason that the belt clip is on the metal casing. Okay, what else I see here is something on the battery which seems to be a charging port. I suppose you can take the charger and plug it in there. The problem is just that that cable doesn't fit there. Yeah, it doesn't fit there. It is a smaller pin. So I suppose you can make up a charging cable for the car or a DC site of some sort. And let's have a look at the battery. It is a 7.4 volt 1600 milliamp hour battery. Yeah, it'll be difficult to make a cable like this without a circuit. So heads up on that, but you may have difficulty creating a cable. Okay, the latch itself seems to be on the bottom of the radio, which I'm not crazy about because there is a chance that you can break that by dropping the radio. But I do like the fact that that is on the casing or on the housing itself and not the plastic casing. Okay, so you push it in, it locks in fairly secure. What I see with this radio, I like the fact that the microphone is part of the speaker area here. Two side buttons, a nice PDT button which is rubber and not plastic. Two other side buttons, an emergency button, and then of course we have two LEDs. I suppose that's like a little torch, and that is your status LED. I'm going to switch the radio on, not fit the antenna. What? And the one will obviously be a PDT light, and I think that is a Let's see if we can get it on. I haven't tested this. Okay, so I don't know how you actually get that LED on, because it doesn't work with the PDT. It doesn't work with the one of those two buttons. Let's see if we try both the buttons, if it will come on. Nope, definitely not. Okay, so perhaps we should read the manual on that and see what it does. Let's have a look at the charger. The charger immediately I see is a 12 volt, which I do like. That means we can easily make an adapter for the car or a solar site of some sort, and yeah, I do like that. It still has the stupid plug, which I think we will never get away from. I'm going to move it closer, put it in there, and let's see what happens when I apply power. The test that I like to see, yes, it actually shows you that there's power. It turns green, showing you that there is power and everything is ready for the radio to be charged. I like that because immediately you know that there is power. It could use up some power sitting idling, but yes, that's one of the disadvantages, but the advantages I feel is far more outweighing the disadvantages. Let's see if it fits inside. Yeah, a fairly snug fit. You can't really get it in wrong. I don't know why there's so much space there, maybe for a much bigger battery. But yeah, you can't really get it in wrong. There you go. My review on the Kiricom PT68s, which is a limited amount, channel amount radio. Seems fairly nice, fairly robust. I don't know what the actual brand is that they've rebranded as Kiricom, but yes, I do like it. I'm not going to put the antenna up, but you can imagine if you put the antenna up, this is a big radio, a very big radio. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can get the latest videos that we have on offer. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.